Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma browser compatibility issues in 2026. If Figma isn't loading properly, certain features don't work, or you're seeing browser-related warnings, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check which browser you're using. Figma works best with modern browsers that support the latest web technologies. Next, update your browser to the latest version available. Outdated browsers are one of the most common causes of compatibility issues. Now refresh the Figma page after updating and see if the problem has been resolved. If the issue continues, try opening Figma in a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to compare performance. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated browser data can interfere with Figma's functionality. Now disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions that may affect Figma. If you're using compatibility mode or legacy browser settings, turn them off and reload the page. Next, make sure JavaScript and cookies are enabled, as Figma relies on both features to operate correctly. Now verify that your operating system is updated, since older systems may not fully support modern browser versions. Finally, restart your browser and reopen Figma to apply all changes and test the platform again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma browser compatibility issues. Figma should now run smoothly with all features working correctly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome.